Hi guys, in this video we are going to show how the values or the attributes which are captured in the contact flow within the Amazon Connect, how to show them into the custom CCP, and how you can leverage this thing to call the lambdas or any third party CRM tools and all this thing, right? Uh, so yeah, we will see that how we can capture those value. Before moving on, it is a simple request to everyone who are watching this video to subscribe to the channel. 88% of viewers who are watching this are not subscribed. As always, don't forget to give thanks, like, and subscribe. Okay, so what we are trying to do. Okay, so I have already done the coding and I will just explain over here. This code is already available into the GitHub and the GitHub link is given in the description section. Okay, so if you have seen the previous video of agent desktop or custom CCP and all this thing which I have already created, and do I have the link open? No, don't have the link open. But yeah, I will share the link of those custom CCP, how to create that and all those things. Uh, so this is what how it looks like. Okay. Now this is part of the custom CCP, and this is a new component that we have added, which is nothing but a simple HTML table, which has a username and phone number. Okay. What we have done is within our contact flow. So this is the contact flow which we are using. I've created two variables. Okay, one with the username which has this value, right? And phone number which has this value. Simple, right? Now to display that information which is in the contact flow and to over here in the custom CCP or custom agent desktop, right? What you have to do is within the init object, right? There where we have configured all this init app, right? You have to write this code. Okay, so again, this HTML is available in GitHub. You can copy the code from there. I'm just explaining what I have done. Okay, so when you do on contact, right? So contact, so you can get the get attributes. Okay, and right now what I have done is trying to fill these values, username and phone number, assuming the contact variables or attributes value are also with the same name. Okay, and what I'm doing is I'm checking if the value is equal to attribute name is equal to phone number. I am getting that value and putting over there. Okay, nothing fancy over here, but the main thing to note is this part, only this two line. Okay, this below is anyway very fancy. You can get it from the chat GPT, how to load a HTML with the value from the JavaScript. That is what it exactly is doing. But what is important is over here in the contact object, right? So connect contact object, what we get is something called get attributes. Okay, and this will contain all the attributes that you have got from the your contact flows, right? And when it comes to the agent side. Okay, so I will do a quick demo and I will also display the contact object over here, right? So this is currently empty and I will trigger the call flow, right? And which will I will trigger the chat, which will trigger call this call flow, and once it goes to the agent side, you will see the details. Okay. The call should have triggered so far. Yeah, you can see over here it has come and populated the value, right? And does not have to be static, right? If you use contact flow where you have assigning the value over here from lambda from whatever the user have said, right? So those also you can set as a user attribute and can be sent over there. I will show you quickly in the debug mode. Source. Right, what I will do is quickly over here put the breakpoint, right? And I will disconnect the call just to see again what exactly or what are the all the values which we are getting. Right now I have created only two variables and I think only two should be coming over there, but we will see if any other attributes are also coming which I have not captured maybe. Okay, you can see that the debug point has come to over here. Oh, is this ring is torture. So over here, uh, okay, sorry, one step down. Now we will see. So we have only two objects. Okay, so two variables which has come, right? But if you go to the contact, right, you will get many other details also, like the call is barging, connection is been accepted, destroyed, contact ID, what exactly the call flow ID, queue details, status, every other informations which you required, right? You can get from here. I'm just giving you an example over here, how to extract the value. It all can be done from that contact object because this is the exact contact object which is been used by the Amazon to do all the functionalities that you see over here and also into the actual agent workspace. Anything else to explain? Yeah, I think that should cover everything. Yeah, so this is how we display the information over here in the custom CCP side. Close contact. I don't want to hear the thing again. Close. Okay. So yeah, that's the video. Hopefully you find it useful. Do comment in the video video comment section. I do reply to if you have any query. As always, have a nice day.